All right, here we go. Subterfuge Box Break number 418. It's another bin tonight. My second bin. Thanks to Demon buying all the teams. Demon had like 15 plus. You're going to get 3 darts. So Demon and Sean and Phyllis, Tebow, Dwayne, Vapor J, Johnny Boy, Aaron, Tebow, Demon, Demon, Demon. Oh, don't say it 3 times, right? Oh, that's Beetlejuice. Vapor J, T-Both, Taz, and Sean had the darts. Yeah, sorry. So, these guys picked their things already. I think I'll just do the darts first this time. Give it a big mix-up. I'm going to pull 3 for Demon, and then 3 for Taz, and then 3 for Sean. So, Demon, number 1, triple 2, single 11. Leave the 20s on top. I mixed it up. Oh, there's one of them actually. Double 20. So those are Demons. Darts going to Taz. Single 3 for Tazzy. Triple 19. And a single 6. Sorry, bud. I guess I mixed it too bad. Too bad. And Boston Sean. Building up a nice collection of darts. Starting with 11. Single 1. And wow, all singles. 1, 11, and 9. Sorry, bud. That's horrible. And Vapor J picked card number 25. Slap number 25. Oh, you'll like this one. 12th edition. Ultimate Goalie Autograph. Silver. Number 19 of 19. Jonas Hiller. That's what you call $10 well spent right there, my friend. And there you go. And Codfishy picked out number 12. Ugh. Codfishy has a stinker. But, oh, it's not that bad actually. Freshman Jumbo. Sean Couturier. Jersey die cut. That's number 90 of 99. So, not that bad. And finally onto our box. Ending in 5140 as you guys picked. Phyllis picked actually. Factory sealed box of limited. I have another one listed. That'll sell in about 6 months hopefully. So I'm going to be uploading all night. Oh, that's alright. I love it. I love the limited. When the price come down, the makes the breaks nice and cheap. Hey bud, what's up? Now you show up. You're about 2 bins too late. Brick on the bottom there. First cards go on to the Anaheim Ducks. And Devilish. You got yourself some Teemu Selanne base card. Oh yeah, the 5-box break was really quite nice. Eric Lindros jersey autograph, all kinds of nice stuff. So, Devilish, Anaheim, and Teeks walks in and we pull a Winnipeg card. Dustin Byfuglien limited base card out of 299. Also going to Devilish. And we got for the Montreal Canadiens, and this card is so wrong. Base card going to Johnny Boy, Tony Esposito. I don't have Lads bells on hand. I'm not gonna ring Lads bells. We got a jumbo for the St. Louis Blues and Vapor J. David Backus. Well, Vapor, you're doing pretty good in this break, bud. Nice freshman jumbo white swatch. 59 of 99. We have a base jersey for the oh my god, that's gorgeous. For the Boston Bruins and Boston Sean. Tim Thomas, number 10 of 99 in Boston. Sean, you're going to wish you got your Sharks like you normally do. Moving to the last card. Oh, short printed base card for the Toronto Maple Leafs. In Boston Sean, you got Optimus Rhyme. This one's out of 99. Number 90 of 99. And this one is a patch autograph. Antti Niemi. San Jose. Beautiful. It says Prime. It's clearly a patch. And that's number 20 of 25. So there you go, bud. Going to Devilish. Glad to see you got a nice card with all your teams purchased. Yeah, I knew you were going to say that, Sean. Thank you guys for your bids, and I'll see you on my next bin turn, which is probably tomorrow. Because I haven't been live. Have a good one.